What we have today is what I'd like to call assembly. Can you explain a little further?
We are going to be building Andrew's first PC. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, can I just say one thing?
Oh, and this is Thomas.
Your faces are totally out of shot.
What do you mean?
Like, your face is just a little too high. His, completely out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Maverick, and right next to me is the very elusive Kevin Dealey.
Daily.
Okay, fine. Daily.
Yeah, this guy has always been funny.
Yeah, funny business. Anywho, so this is what I'd like to call assembly. Assembly for what?
We are going to be making this guy's first PC ever. Welcome to the PC Master Race. Enough of this console peasantry.
Oh, you know I'm still going to be playing consoles. It's just that I got my beautiful PC now. So I've been saving this up for a while, and
A month?
more than a month. I can say that much. But finally, I got what I needed, and I finally got this all purchased, and now it's here. And so, putting it together, and here's the great part: under $400.
Yes, this is going to be a console-priced PC, and I'm very excited to build this, and we're going to see how it compares to the Xbox One and
Alright.
PS4 too as well. So
let's get started.
Yeah, okay. First things first, we're going to deal with the, where's the processor? Give me the processor. So our processor is the AMD Athlon 860K. It's a 4-core processor. If you'd like to consider it 4 cores, there's shared modules, whatever you think of that. But anyways, it's 4 cores. And we are going to be using the Gigabyte F2A68.
HMH.
Yes, thank you, Andrew. This is a relatively new motherboard. Yeah, 8 gigabytes of RAM. So, alright, so why don't you open up the process? Actually, I'll open up the processor. You open up the motherboard.
Oh.
I'll open this up.
And don't forget your trusty Cutco scissors made by Cutco brand that can cut through pennies and copper and any other metals you need.
Where's the knife?
Yeah, knife works too.
This processor might not be exactly the strongest one of them all. It's a, what was it? I think $75 processor. So it should be decent for this PC. It's definitely stronger than the processor that's inside of the Xbox One and PS4. If I remember correctly in the benchmarks, one core of this of the Athlon is about 2 to 2.5 times stronger than the cores inside the Xbox. This is definitely twice as strong as
Damn.
that processor. So there you go. Garbage. Garbage. We don't need manuals. More garbage. Oh, where'd the stickers go?
Who needs manuals?
Look for
Manual is a stupid name.
Look for the sticker, Andrew.
Not to offend anyone named Manual, okay? If your name's Manual, you're cool in my book.
Manuel?
Yes, Manuel. Manuel!
Okay. Open this up.
A precision cutting instrument. You know the best part about using a phone to film this?
What?
I look at the center of the phone thinking, oh, I'm looking at the lens. No, the lens is on the left side of my peripheral, and it's
This
not
side.
okay.
So here's a
No, my
motherboard.
peripheral. That's yours.
As you can see, it's very small.
Very pretty.
Micro ATX.
It's very black.
Yes, indeed. It is a Gigabyte motherboard. Alright, so we are going to put the processor in now. Oh, save the stickers. Always save your stickers. We're going to unlatch this.
This is an interesting process.
Thank you, Andrew.
Something.
So now with AMD processor is a bit scary. All the pins are on the processor itself. They're not on the motherboard. So if one of these pins goes out, we are going to be very sad. Or he's going to be very sad.
It's very painstaking to put in the first place. If you don't see, which you won't, Thomas is making the best expression I've ever seen somebody who's disgusted, ashamed, and just flat out done with my puns. Ever.
So done.
Okay, well it seems to have gone in smoothly, so let's hold the retention. Awesome. Okay, cool. So the processor is in. So next is the RAM.
And no, the name does not imply that you simply ram it in. What? For some people who are inadequately educated, they might think such things. Thomas, I'm looking at you. No, I'm just kidding.
Wow, I knew I was far better, but not that far better.
So we have 8 gigabytes of RAM. Again, comparable with the Xbox One and PS4. Both of those have 8 gigabytes of RAM too.
Oh, this is the best thing ever. We're picking up a conversation from across the Abbey. Can you hear it? Because the microphone does. So you guys are going to enjoy that.
Yeah.
Also, you're going to enjoy the spikes with my clapping. So, yeah, that's a thing.
Here you go. Hold that.
Holding. Oh no. It's like a little candy bar, except not as delicious.
Don't bite into it. Thank you.
I'm not going to bite into it.
No.
I might give it a little lick. Just a little taste.
One thing I would like to note is, for anyone building a PC, if you have at least over 4 gigabytes of RAM, do at least 64-bit. I made that mistake by originally making my PC with 8 gigabytes of RAM but 32-bit, which limits.
He means
Your PC.
32-bit OS or operating system.
Yes.
Yeah. If you have a 32-bit operating system, you can only use 4 gigs of RAM.
There are some horrible ramifications in that case.
You know I totally set up that tongue for you, right?
Every time they see me look off camera this way, they're going to know I'm looking at you, Thomas.
Oh, okay. RAM is
And
in.
they're gonna be weirded out because they don't know who I am.
Oh, and the best part is, okay, so just to cordially introduce Thomas, like, what, like 15 minutes into the video? Well, at least the recording.
10 minutes.
10 minutes into the recording, and then probably not that long in the video itself.
Yeah.
This guy is being our cameraman, and he has helped us out in the past. He does his own channel. He is Tom Vanner, and if you guys would like to check him out, he does a lot of Forza videos and other vehicular video. I cannot English.
Vehicular mayhem.
Vehicular videos at a behemoth scale. Okay, I was trying to use some alliteration there, but I arbitrarily allocated
Basically
my.
focusing on like cars, music, and speedrunning at this point.
Okay, you know what'd be interesting? This is just a side topic.
Mm-hmm.
Actually trying to rap, but using alliteration while you rap. So you have to use alliteration for the words that you're rhyming. Exactly. There's no use to listen to rap, but I'm saying, like, basically it's poetry that starts with the same letter for every single word. Or most words.
Alright. Time to put on the cooler. We are using the stock cooler, so hopefully this will cool the processor down. I know AMD runs a bit hot, but we'll make sure this is cooled down good.
Tease it. Tease it.
So intense.
Can we just, like, edit some intense music right here? Just.
Oh no, even better than that.
Oh, wow, that was a weird barking spider. Who heard that?
I hate installing air coolers. It pisses me off.
It isn't too cool, is it?
Thank you, Andrew, again.
It's gonna get worse. Just trust me.
Manuals, more manuals.
Yeah, more manuals.
Don't need it.
Talk about manual labor.
Thank you again, Andrew.
But
Okay, so that cooler's in. We have a nice red fan on top of here.
For
That is
extra
pretty-
speed and boost.
Yes, because
'Cause
the color
if-
red makes your computer faster.
yeah, didn't you know? Haven't you watched the Game Theorist video? Haven't you?
Okay, Andrew, so can you guess where on the motherboard this goes in?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
What does that say?
Fan one.
No, it says
System fan.
System fan.
System
okay.
fan. Okay.
Now, what does that one say right there?
I'm blind. Where? There we are. Okay.
What does that say, Andrew?
Is CPU fan. There we go.
Oh, yeah, CPU fan. Okay.
See, he's obviously the brains here. Who needs a manual when you have white text showing you exactly where it goes? Like the glove.
Yeah.
Let's do the power supply.
Yay! So, can you tell me, Kevin, how much is the capacity on this thing?
This is a 500 watt power supply by EVGA.
Are you sure it's not over 9,000?
No. If you want over 9,000, grab a paper clip, put it inside there.
And yes,
It's as if he hasn't tried it before, as evidence on the wall.
no, that's a funny story, and something I may be inclined to share later in the video, maybe just later in general. But for now, I really want to see this thing, and its glory and everything. What would you reckon the power supply on an Xbox One is?
I would think it's around 300 watts or so.
What's he talking about?
You're gonna get it, Andrew. All those funds are gonna come right back.
Yes, I'm gonna get it. This power
We're gonna
supply
get so much
in.
hate in the comments.
Okay, so this power supply isn't modular, but that's okay. That is a. Smell that, Andrew?
The sweet smell of new parts.
Smells like cancer. But anyway.
What
Screws. Don't lose your screws.
do you mean by screw this?
Why are you screwing around?
But Thomas, don't you know I'm the only one that makes the puns? No.
I'd rather not have blood traceable to my knife.
Yeah, I would rather not have blood in this room in general, so you're safe.
Okay, so for now.
Am I even in frame?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Barely.
Just barely. That's all.
Okay, so 24 pin connector. That will go right on. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's connected. Whatever. Okay.
Oh, question 2.
Yeah.
Is it pre-charge? Oh, there's no charge, huh?
What do you mean there's charge? Do you see a battery, Andy?
Exactly. That's exactly why I corrected myself. I've been working in the electronics department where everything is just wireless, cordless, and runs on a battery. I'm not used to this.
Cool. Okay, now time for the graphics card. So right now we're going to be building the PC out of its case just to make sure all the parts work.
I'm part and parcel to this.
So we have the Radeon R7 370 by gigabyte.
That's a beautiful eyeball.
It's out.
Like I said, beautiful.
So this is going to put us near the performance of a PS4 because I think the PS4 has the exact same graphics card in there. Although it might have a few more stream processors.
Kevin, be careful. That's so graphic.
God,
There's a reason why he's here.
God damn it, Andrew.
Next up, will Andrew survive? Tune in next week and find out.
Ooh, hello.
Isn't it cute?
It
That
looks like
is
2
tiny.
eyeballs.
How many slots does that take? Only one?
2 slots.
The graphics card and the processor are now, the motherboard are now integrated.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So now you gotta power the graphics card
Mm-hmm.
more.
More power.
So this is a PCI power connector here.
Thomas.
Yep.
Are you in frame or are you just chilling?
I'm just chilling properly.
Alright.
Anyways, let's go on with this.
So Andrew, why don't you get your monitor out?
Mm-hmm. No, so we can test it?
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to turn it on now.
Yes. We are.
So, we are going to jumpstart your motherboard.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Turn it on. Okay. I hope your power's full. Let's see if it does anything.
Are you sure you got all the connections?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Warning. No blue. Yes, we have logged into the BIOS.
Hey.
Okay, cool. Actually, let's
Take
open
the
up
mouse.
the mouse and keyboard here.
Oh yeah, mouse and keyboard. Really nice.
And the OS.
So we are using the Devastator 2.
My Cooler Master.
Yes, Cooler Master. This costs $30.
Here's the problem: is that if you're getting it from Cool Master, you're getting gypped. If that's even a proper term.
Why would you be getting gypped?
Because there's a Cooler Master 2.
This is the 2.
Exactly. So go and get the 2.
But this is the 2.
I know what I'm talking about, Kevin. I know. Okay, let's just.
Andrew, take the mouse out of its plastic thing.
For a dead rodent, this actually looks pretty nice.
It's not the only thing that's going to be dead soon, Andrew. I'm sorry.
Like I said, will Andrew survive? Tune in next week to find out.
Yeah, so we have loaded into the BIOS. Nothing's wrong, I suppose. We still have to test out the hard drive here, but we can save that for when we throw it into the case. So now we're going to get into the case part of the build. We're going to have to clean up here a bit. So I'm going to turn all this off. It died. Just kidding. Okay.
Alright, well. And look this way. Wait, I'm finished. I'm going to go to work. It's good. I'm going to take on last here. Oh, pressure me. Yeah, that's just nice out this. Okay, that's probably now. I mean, I know. Go away. Snapchat. Well, it's over. Thomas. And you want to send it to your girlfriend?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, let me send it. You got it. That's perfect. That's perfect. Let me send you. How are you doing that? Okay. And send those. There we go. That is. You know what we should have done? We should have taken outline where the borders of the cancer moved in. That would be smart. But we're not smart. We're really smart. And smart intelligence, technology, computers, as I am. That's what
Okay, so let's, why don't you take your monitor
Yeah.
and place it back over there.
I'll just set it aside.
And then we
Oh,
can
right.
rip apart this bona fide beauty of metal.
Yeah. Bona fide, certified.
And let's put this in here.
Let's split. That's a reference no one will ever understand, unless if you live in the UK. Oh. Gosh darn it.
I'm trying to think of a comeback, aren't you?
No,
Don't
that's
be the comeback.
No. You don't understand. I've been looking at the wrong side of the phone the entire time.
Yeah. That's why I was pointing like, oh hey, it's on this side.
Sorry, everyone. I don't know. I comes first. Perfect camera. Oh, that's nice. It's like love. Is it?
Is this what's no. No.
Oh, you're right. Is that straight? Right?
Yep.
Oh,
That's the first. Seconds.
probably something like that, you know? What am I doing with my laptop? Oh, that's right, people. This is not monster. I think I'm you. It's not new. You can tell. I'm not exactly aware at the moment. I can wear this for any level. It's just try this one. Really cross that threshold, Thomas. Here's the way the first time. It's a very punishing life. Because you're in Russia. Just put that there. We're not selling on time. Especially because of the This is the part where we actually cut. Just
No, this is the part where we just fast forward everything.
Maybe.
So that way they can still see it.
Let's see, where's my knife at? Ah, here it is.
Knife to meet you.
That's where I
Yeah,
Counter.
hey, he did it.
So,
So the PC is complete.
yeah, we do have it
Mostly.
exposed just in case we need to make any other modifications. But so far so good, and yeah, Daniel, we see you.
Also, it's bad luck to turn on your PC with the case or the side panel on completely. So
Oh yeah, that means you have to tear it all apart.
yeah,
and
that's why it's bad luck. So, anyways, let's turn it on, Andrew.
So, stuff, any other what LED? What LED to use that conclusion? That's right.
Albert, is it
Windows. Yes. Just bring light. No, bring light to operation. That's fun. But I can see right through it. So, do you use my next phone? Now you virtually.
You know, it'd be great for a commercial. Boba Fett searching for the bounty paper towels.
I'm not gonna lie, that'd be a good sponsor.
I mean, like Boba Fett could like
Disney, hold on. Disney, if you're watching this, get on it now. Sponsor Bounty. Or get Bounty to sponsor. I don't know. This needs to happen.
I mean-
this needs to happen. That's all. Oh, yeah, seriously. It's always good to low games, so just increase the volume necessary, and the precise settings to be low. It's already set to high speed, it's going to be very precise. That's a good editing record. Gives me I love the low dash, so I recommend if you need to jump in, if you don't I'm so sorry for you. I'm sorry about that. First good. Yeah, anyway, maybe it's oh, no, it's cool. Several stands along. No. I was being a single phrase. So that's it. Now you need to all of it. I'll do this. Oh my. Just true. Yeah, next. You like those No. No. You like What is this again? I think near my house forever. But also, it's actually somewhere not even my own. Oh, it's not shiny? No. Like on mushrooms? I mean, I see some shiny, not where you're I want mushrooms. I know, I'm temporarily doing this. Where you're doing this. It's not for me. It's in song. So guys, you know what that is? No. This time, for the download song. No, it's not. I'm just this. Yeah. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. So thank you for cooling all the way through for those of you who are reaching the end. And we did finish the computer. The only thing is that a lot of the clips and all the footage, to be completely honest, was actually cutting, and because I'm using the phone obviously. And so it's going to be a little, what would you call it, Kevin?
Awkward.
Not butchered. Let's put it that way.
Butchered, shredded.
Yeah, surgically, precisely cut.
Yeah.
But anywho, besides the point, we did finish the computer. Now, the thing that we were trying to acknowledge is that this is a $400 PC, competing with the prices and performance given with an Xbox One and a PS4.
Yep.
And in particular, it is beautiful.
It's a
Yeah,
pretty good, solid computer.
Now, we bought all the parts for this computer on newegg.com. You can go there yourself. They have deals every day, and you can go ahead and see exactly what you can get and what's compatible. And I'm going to tell you right now, it is wonderful.
And we'll follow up with the performance video too, benchmarks, few games like that. Maybe we'll get Gears of War on there or something to see how console games play on it.
And
Pretty
then
much,
maybe a full comparison video between all of our computers.
Yes, that would be interesting too.
Very interesting.
To show the peasantry that I'm at compared to his.
Well, it's not peasantry anymore. You're
Okay,
still,
fine.
You still have a PC now, so you've ascended to the master.
Yeah, right. Anywho, it was nice to see you guys stop by, and if you did enjoy the video, do not forget to like and share so that your friends can see it too and actually join with a PC Master Race. And once again, thank you for watching. It's always nice to see those who view. So, any last words, you guys?
Check the link in the description for all the parts that we used.
And
And
have a wonderful day.
that's too close. Have a marvelous day. Don't die.